In a world where stone ruled, a spark ignited curiosity. What if we could shape the unyielding? A voice pondered. Hands, once bound by tradition, dared to dream beyond the known. A whisper of metal, cold yet promising, danced in the firelight. Can this be our future? Another voice questioned, eyes wide with wonder. With each strike, the iron sang a new song, one of strength and possibility. We are the makers of tomorrow, they declared, hearts alight with purpose. And so, the Age of Stone gave way, not with a whisper, but with a resounding clang.